on.
Line,
I'm putting it on really. There you go. Let's hear it.
That's on most
Racing
of
the
it.
GTR with the Gangster Grandpa, stock block, 5.3, single turbo. Again, 6.5 second GTR. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna beat them.
For how much? You don't know
I
yet?
think they only got 2,500 of them. So I'm not sure, but they can come up more if they want. Oh well, we'll see.
Oh shit, he left. Everyone just keep moving on.
Where's that light at?
Where's Tucci?
I'm here.
Get the light out. Get the light out.
I should just call it, right?
Tails.
Tails never
Tails
fail.
it is.
Okay, I'll let you know. We'll go out there.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So how you doing your whole staging situation?
Yo, do a burnout.
Okay.
You do your burnout, or do them together, whatever you want to do.
This is the starter. He's going to use a flashlight start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, he's good. You go with him, right?
It is. So, you want to get ready first? Takes me like 1 second.
Yeah, me too.
I can't sit on the, that stupid fucking thing.
Yeah.
I can't sit on the chip.
Okay, so I'll go in first. No problem.
So point at him when he's ready. Well, I will be ready.
Right.
Just point at me.
Yeah, how are you gonna let me know you're ready?
Just point. I'll be watching you.
Alright.
Once you point at him and then you switch to point at me, I'm bringing the RPM up.
Alright.
Well, just give me like 2 seconds.
I'll hear it.
Yeah.
I'll hear it.
Yeah, my car's
Flash
not
your
loud.
headlights or something?
No, don't flash you because then there's all that bullshit. I'll be watching.
You know what
You'll be ready. He's good.
What we usually do, we have a guy in the window.
Yeah, sometimes you can't see
Yeah,
that.
no, I'll hear it. I'll hear it.
Yeah, his car will.
Yeah,
You point at him first. As soon as you're coming over to me, I'm going to be bringing it up.
Give me a thumbs up for
Yeah,
you.
back will be at the thumbs up.
Just after you point at me, just give me like 2
Yeah, I
seconds.
see it.
That's fine. All right. Are you waiting on anybody? We ready?
I think, I got another car, but I think they pulled up.
What's the pot?
I have the pot. I have the pot.
Oh, you want in? You guys want in?
Fuck yeah.
Okay, we might have a little more than. Did Johnny come lately?
Well, give me the 25.
How much is pot here?
Oh, maybe they got some side bets.
Yeah, you can get a side
I
bet.
don't know. You tell me.
I already got the bet. The bet, we got a bet 25.
25.
Right?
Right, yeah.
Bet's up.
And you got that covered?
Yeah. Okay. So, just
Any
call
other
it a side
bet, if you guys got a side bet
Yeah.
going.
What do you want to do? Whatever you want to do.
I just watched it.
You did, or you had to close.
No, 7-Eleven.